What's up friends? In this video, I am going to share my experience top 5 best smart bike gadgets 2023. I've done a lot of research, and put together a list of the best smart bike gadgets of the new update 2023 from trusted brands to help you decide for you. After extensive investigation, I discovered this stuff is profitable. People like you, if you are interested to know more about the price and other information, then without further ado, don't forget to check the description below. Let's watch the video. Number 1. The Lumos Ultra Smart Bike Helmet is a road bicycle helmet designed for adults, both men and women. It features customizable LED lights on the front and back of the helmet with turn signals, making it easier for riders to communicate their intentions with other road users. The LED lights are controlled by a remote that can be mounted on the handlebars of your bike. The remote has buttons for turning the lights on and off, activating the turn signals, and changing the light patterns. In addition to the lights, the Lumos Ultra Smart Bike Helmet has a range of other features to make it more comfortable and convenient for riders. It has an adjustable fit system that allows you to customize the fit of the helmet to your head size, as well as adjustable straps for added comfort. The helmet is also designed to be lightweight and well ventilated, with 18 vents to help keep your head cool during hot rides. It comes in a range of colors and sizes, so you can choose the one that best suits your style and head size. Overall, the Lumos Ultra Smart Bike Helmet is a high-tech and stylish option for anyone looking for a new bike helmet. Its customizable LED lights and turn signals make it a great choice for safety-conscious riders who want to be visible and communicate effectively with other road users. Number 2. The Beeline Bike GPS Computer, Velo 2 is a wireless global navigation map device designed for cyclists. It features a weatherproof design, 11+ hours of battery life, USB charging, and a strap mount for easy installation. The device is also glove-friendly, which means you can easily use it while cycling without having to take off your gloves. The Beeline Velo 2 GPS computer provides turn-by-turn directions, making it easy to navigate your cycling routes. The device has a simple, intuitive interface that displays your route on a clear, easy-to-read map. It also provides live route updates, allowing you to adjust your route as needed. The device is compatible with both iOS and Android devices and can be easily synced to your smartphone to access features such as Strava integration, weather updates, and more. The Beeline Velo 2 also features a built-in compass and speedometer, allowing you to keep track of your speed and direction. Number 3. The Redshift Arclight bicycle pedals with LED lights are designed to enhance the visibility and safety of cyclists during low light conditions or at night. These pedals feature LED lights that automatically turn on and off, making them easy to use. One of the standout features of these pedals is their 36+ hour battery life, which means you can ride for multiple days without having to recharge the pedals. When it's time to recharge, you can do so easily with the included USB cable. The pedals are also waterproof, which makes them ideal for cycling in wet conditions or on wet roads. Additionally, they are designed to fit a 9/16 steel spindle, which makes them compatible with a wide range of bikes, including e-bikes, city bikes, commuter bikes, hybrid bikes, and road bikes. Number 4. The FoldyLock Compact Folding Bike Lock is a lightweight, high-security lock designed for bicycles and scooters. It is an award-winning patented lock that features heavy-duty construction and a smart secure guard to prevent theft. The lock comes with keys and a case for easy transport. The lock is made from hardened steel links that are designed to resist cutting and sawing, and the joints are reinforced with steel rivets for added strength. The lock is also coated with a durable plastic covering to protect the bike's paint from scratches and damage. The FoldyLock Compact Folding Bike Lock is easy to use and can be folded up compactly for storage in a backpack or saddlebag. It can be locked quickly and securely to any bike frame, and the key system is designed to be pick-resistant and tamper-proof. Number 5. The Pro Bike Tool Co. 2 Inflator is a tool designed to quickly and easily inflate bike tires with either Presta or Schrader valves. It is compatible with both road and mountain bikes and comes with an insulated sleeve to keep your hands from getting too cold during use. It is important to note that this inflator does not come with CO2 cartridges, so you will need to purchase those separately. The inflator is designed to work with standard threaded cartridges that are readily available at most bike shops and online retailers. To use the Pro Bike Tool CO2 inflator, simply attach it to your bike tire valve and screw in the CO2 cartridge. Once the cartridge is punctured, the inflator will release the compressed CO2 gas into your tire, quickly inflating it to the desired pressure. If you like the video, then please like, comment, and share it with your friends, so that they can also benefit from it. Finally, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the first notification of the next video.